AJIYA is one of the nation leaders in metal and safety glass. As a public listed company, AJIYA capitalizes on the growing needs for sustainable buildings and building materials to form a pillars of its future earning.
AJIYA Group has been established since 1990. As of today, we are already 30 years old. We started as a metal roof forming company. Our first company is Asia Roofing Industries. During then, there was a Look East. So we have chosen the name of Asia in the Japanese meaning of AJIYA. And for that has been our trademark, and now it's already a registered trademark.
They emphasize on ESG value, which is environment, sustainability, and governance. What I admire about AJIYA is their commitment to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
Since day one, the green element has been in our DNA, and we are very committed pertaining towards the United Nations SDG. Metal, since 30 years ago, our concept is actually to substitute as much timber-based product as possible so that there will be less tree to be cut. We believe with the advancement in science and technology, the usage and also the application of metal, which is durable and also could use less material for the same build as you advance. And on our glass industry, we have been promoting low E glass, that is low emissivity. It means you allow light transmission, but you reflect away the infrared. That is on the heat component. We have set our vision 2040 is to enrich the well-being for the community, which is in our UN SDG goal. The primary goal of number 7 is to have the clean and affordable energy, and certainly solar power is one of the best candidates for this. We have had installed the solar PV system since last year, and we have seen the saving of about 20 to 25% in our TMD bill. Because we have invested in the solar early, we were able to see the benefits such as shorter payback period, gain in the tax relief, and we reckon the return on investment will be 4 to 5 years.
In the case of AJIYA Safety Glass Segamat, with their dedication to benefit society and environment in the long term, their solar photovoltaic system will reduce carbon footprint by 1,034 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent a year. Not only has AJIYA invested in clean energy, but they made decision to go beyond solar and implement SOURCE, which is our Smart Energy Performance Management System, as part of their Industrial 4.0 program. Through SOURCE, AJIYA was able to connect off their building energy data, turn those insights into smart energy saving and business intelligence.
SOURCE is a plus solar's AI and IoT solutions that monitors the factory's energy consumption and the maximum demand. So through SOURCE, we have gained about 20% energy savings, lowered our penalties for the MD as well as our OPEX. Before we select any supplier or implementer, we look into the cost competitiveness, the reputation of the company, which is we are concerned about the future maintenance and also the sustainability of a company. Why we have selected Plus Solar? They have a distinctive advantage, that is their IP on their SOURCE solutions, which is AIoT, and also on their technical design strength, and also the smooth application process with the authorities. In addition with the government policy, I find that it has been very attractive payback with minimum 20% of ROI per year, and we have no hesitation with installing solar panel. And since solar PV system is going to last easily 25 years or beyond, we need to think about the design of the roofing as the durability and also what we are stacking on the roof. This is the additional imposed load. So the material that we are using need to be taken into consideration. And as part of our total housing solutions, by partnering with affiliate partner like Plus Solar, which provide solar PV system solutions to our clients while promoting AJIYA, which make it the 9 series. Companies like AJIYA, which has embraced solar, has increased our commitment to building a greener and more sustainable future.
Not only we do take pride in being the solar solutionist for AJIYA, but we also look forward to how AJIYA will drive the usage of clean energy in southern Malaysia. In spite of pandemic causing business to reinvent their business model, we learned that we need to keep on innovating and seize every opportunity. We are happy to be a part of AJIYA green journey and cannot wait for the green milestone that they will achieve for many years to come.